And this one's going to be a little bit easier. Now, we could use almost any of the techniques we've learned so far to get these, but sometimes you need to get just a single color and just select that. Oftentimes you can do this if you want to, for instance, change a color. Like say I want to make this yellow leg into a blue leg or whatever, or this background from green to brown or something like that. So it's an interesting way. A lot of times people have you change a jacket on somebody's shirt. But you can still use this as a way to select these things. Now we're not going to use any of the tools over here. We're actually going to go up to select in the menu and color range. Now this is something that we don't use that often, so it's okay to use the menus here because you're also going to have to go into a slider. By default, it's going to look like this. And we're just going to sample which one we want. So clicking on this thing called an eyedropper, which is also known as kind of like a sampling tool, we're going to sample the color we want. So we're just going to kind of choose sort of a mid-tone color for the blue here. This fuzziness thing will actually select more and more. It will decrease something called the tolerance. And you can see if I go too far, it's going to actually select almost everything there. So I want to kind of keep moving this until I've got all of the leg, but none of the petri dish. We can also go and under selection preview and choose matte. So we can kind of see right where it's disappeared. So that looks right. Hit OK. We can see that it's selected. Command C. Come back over here. Command V. And once again, if we press the V here, we've got this. So we've almost got our alien. Let's add some hair. Close that up.